Well, and another 18 centimeters of snowfall overnight. Now every time it snows it's like a snow dump. You just get dumped on. It will be another nice morning of snow blowing.
Here's a bunny for you. And here's a bunny for you. Hey, door's locked. Let's go.
Alright, so we go inside because it's bloody cold out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have soup with cauliflower, potatoes, and chickpeas. Okay.
Lovely. Thank you so much.
Can we drink milk?
Okay, off we go, home.
Oh, I wasn't recording.
The
Go back. There's nothing there.
I had to drive backwards on the main roads to spot some reindeer.
Beautiful. So on our way back from the cafe.
Yeah, that was really nice.
Yeah, it was lovely as always. The cakes are amazing.
Yeah, the Swedes certainly know how to do good cakes. Utsikten is actually only a pop-up cafe, so they're not always open. But as you can see, the views are amazing up there, especially in a day like this.
Yeah, we got so lucky today with the weather.
And it's something else about Swedish culture that's really nice if you're a coffee drinker. It's the first time we came, we weren't sure if that was true. But you can endlessly refill your coffee.
Yeah, everywhere you go that sells coffee, you just have as much as you want. And a few shops have coffee as well, like the DIY shop. It has a coffee machine that you can just go and help yourself to coffee.
It's true. You always get treated to coffee everywhere you go.
Yeah.
I think if you want to make friends with the Swedes, you better have coffee ready.
Yeah.
So that pop-up cafe was called Utsikten, which is Swedish for the view. Makes sense?
Yeah.
So the beautiful view.
Yeah, we can put the link to the Facebook page on under the video.
Yeah, we definitely will do that. If you're ever in Storuman, then that's definitely a really nice place to go. But like we said, it is a pop-up cafe, so you'll have to check on their Facebook page to make sure that they are open. And now they are just about to make an extension to the side, so it's going to be even bigger. Yeah, so what did we have there? We had...
Cake.
Amber had a nice cake.
She says with a big smile.
What did you have? An orange chocolate cake.
Yeah.
But you started with a sandwich.
Started with a sandwich, which was smoked salmon, and she said it was pickled kale, but in the end it more looked like pickled cabbage to me, which was absolutely delicious. So they really do nice food there. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Not just nice cakes like we said earlier in the car, but the food is also really good. And then you had a nice soup.
I had a lovely soup, really perfect for this weather. It was cauliflower and mushroom and potato, I think she said. And it was quite a few big chunks of mushrooms in it, and it was really tasty. Oh, that was it, chickpea. Yeah, not potato, chickpea.
Chickpea,
Yeah, cauliflower, chickpea and mushroom. And then it comes with a warm slice of bread and some butter to put on it. Yeah, lovely.
Really good. And then you finished with what cake?
It was called Almond and Aroma. It was delicious. I'm going to get that again the next time I go.
Yeah.
It was so good. Yeah.
You too? Okay.
Stop eating the snow.
Last time when we went there, you were surprised about how cheaper it was. Not cheap, but it wasn't as expensive as you thought it would be.
No.
So I had a quick check, but for the first part with the sandwiches, so a sandwich, soup, a cake, and
a juice.
and two coffees.
Yeah.
Together was €27.5.
Okay.
And so they came down to about 315 kroner, which was about $28.50.
Okay.
And then the second part, because we paid again for those cakes,
Yeah, then
so
we
it was
had
2
cakes.
cakes only.
Just 2 cakes.
For 2 cakes it was €7.68,
Okay.
which is about 88 kroner and about $7.95. So not bad for, you know, really nice food on top of the mountain.
Top quality.
Endless coffee.
Yeah, exactly. Unlimited coffee, and you get cream with your cake as well.
Yeah, sorry, but it seems to have been blowing
You don't want
into.
to melt the camera.
Yeah, it's going to burn the camera. Would not be so ideal, would it now? You got to see a little bit of what we do in the weekend, which is clearing snow, and this time treating ourselves to some nice cake and coffee.
Yeah, and the people that work there are so lovely as well. They're really nice to talk to.
Absolutely.
And they make everything themselves, which is even more impressive.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, busy. So next time you come to Storuman, make sure you pass by Café Utsikten.